How's it going there? Today I'm going to show you the easiest way I found to sharpen a chainsaw chain. I had one of these, and pretty much probably everybody gets one of these kits when they first get a chainsaw to sharpen the chains. And yeah, you kind of hold it on there and do each one, and it works okay if you're out in the bush and there's no power tools or anything. But what I got, and this is like an old Dremel, but I got one of these chainsaw sharpening kits from Dremel, and this thing works a million times better. It's so much faster, and it actually sharpens it way better. This thing's probably like, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks. I think this was like 30 bucks, and it also came with some attachments, I think, for sharpening mower blades and whatnot, but I pretty much just use an angle grinder for that. So we'll go outside. I found this chain on the ground. I threw it out because I couldn't get it sharp with this old manual kit, but it was just laying there, so I'm pretty sure it's pretty dull. We'll go do a test cut outside with it and see how it cuts right now. Okay, I found a log here that will fallen tree. It's been here a couple years now, so it's starting to dry out, but we'll give it a shot. Yeah, that's about it. It's not gonna make it through very easily. Plus it's cutting crooked. But this is pretty easy. You're basically just lining up the degree marks to keep them straight with the chain, and you'll see it'll go pretty quick. So what I usually do, they'll do one side of the chain first, so we'll put a marker here just so we know which one we started with. And then we just go around and sharpen them. Some safety glasses on. Check your points. Some of these are pretty dull, but we'll go see how this improved it. Try this again. Yes, way faster. It cut straight again, and it wasn't smoking. So anyway, I highly suggest getting one of those little Dremel chainsaw sharpening kits. Way easier. and way better results than the manual one. Later.